Chase Chrisley appears to be staying positive after his split from fiancée Emmy Maidis. Hours after announcing their breakup, the Chrisley Knows Best alum shared an uplifting message in an Instagram story. "God is good," he wrote, sharing a glimpse at sunset-lit skyscrapers behind him. Chrisley, 27, and Maidis, 26, called it quits 9 months after getting engaged. 9 months later, the reality star wrote Tuesday afternoon on his Instagram story, "Everybody has been asking a lot of questions regarding Emmy and myself. We both agreed to part ways and move on with our lives separately," he added. "Thank you for respecting our privacy." Chase Chrisley and Emmy Maidis split 9 months after getting engaged. Chase Chrisley posts hopeful message after announcing split from fiancée Emmy Maidis. Instagram. Chase Chrisley's rep Adam Ambrose also issued a statement to People, noting how the couple has decided to go their separate ways. Ambrose's statement continued, "Chase has nothing but love and respect for Emmy and wishes her well. Unfortunately, things didn't work and they are both moving on with their lives." Chase Chrisley and Emmy Maidis' relationship timeline. Signs of the end of the relationship were popping up for fans in recent weeks. As speculation grew, one Reddit user had noted how Maidis keeps taking pics without her ring and they haven't been photographed in a long time. And another noticed that Maidis unpinned their engagement photos from her Instagram before removing them. Chrisley also removed all traces of the elegant tans by Emmy founder from his Instagram page. They both mutually unfollowed each other on Instagram as well, and Chrisley's siblings also unfollowed Maidis. Never miss a story. Sign up for People's free daily newsletter to stay up to date on the best of what People has to offer, from juicy celebrity news to compelling human interest stories. Chase Chrisley. Emmy Maidis Instagram. Chrisley made his relationship with Maidis public in the summer of 2020, though he confirmed the couple split in August 2021. They eventually reconciled in early 2022 before getting engaged that October. Maidis later shared this past April that they didn't have a date set for their wedding, adding that they were enjoying this engagement season right now. As for her now ex, the former Growing Up Chrisley star expressed his desire to start a family with Maidis as soon as possible. "I want to have as many children as she wants to have. I want a big family. I mean, I come from a big family, so I don't ever want an empty house. Family is everything," he said on the Tassine Birdies podcast in May. "I'd have a baby right now, but she wants to get married, is the traditional way, which I respect that. And it's up to her. It's her body.